friends, and welcome to day number 12 of our 90-day success plan to help you apply the 13 principles of success outlined from this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, so you can learn to turn your dreams into reality. I'm so excited to be taking this journey with you. Did you, my friend, know that you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul? And this is what I want to talk to you about today. I'm going to go ahead and share the full screen and go through this chapter in Think and Grow Rich. It's on in the book. It's on page 37, and the ebook is in our community here. He says, "You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul." That's and then he quotes Henley, and then he goes, "When Henley wrote the prophetic line, 'I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul,' he should have informed us that we are the masters of our fate and the captains of our soul because we have the power to control our thoughts." Right? He should have told us that the ether in which this little earth floats, in which we move and our being and have our being, is a form of energy moving at an inconceivable high rate of vibration, and that the ether is filled with a form of universal power which adapts itself to the nature of the thoughts we hold in our mind and influences us in natural ways to transmute our thoughts into the physical equivalent. Let's break this down, right? Let's break it down, and then let's break it down. So you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul, because you have the power to control your thoughts. That's the only thing that you have control over, how you control your thoughts. Now, that's the first bit, right? The second bit, Napoleon Hill calls this the ether, right? You can call it whatever you want, but I'm sure you agree that there's something bigger and greater than us out there, right? So some people call it God, Allah, Buddha. So many labels have been placed on this thing, right? But what Napoleon Hill is saying that ether, we're going to call it, we have the power to focus our thoughts, to transmute our thoughts onto the ether, and the ether then has the power to turn those thoughts into reality. It has the power to attract the forces, the people, the resources to help you attract whatever it is that you're thinking about, right? So if you're thinking poverty, lack, illness, jealousy, envy, all these negative thoughts that make you feel bad, those are the thoughts, and that's the energy that you're feeding into the ether, and the ether is going to go out there and bring you more of that. Okay? In my last video, I started by saying that both poverty and riches are the offspring of thought. Now, that was chapter 4, I think, right? And this is the introduction chapter. It all intertwines together. So what I want you to do, and what I've started to do, is random times I just burst out like a crazy person on my own and just say out loud or inside, I just say, I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul, because I have the power to choose my own thoughts. So powerful. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you will actually follow my advice and start saying this powerful affirmation and actually understand why it is that you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. I'm so excited to be taking this journey with you. I have been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com.